This read along is Psalms 91 verse 2. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him will I trust. Psalms 71 verse 3. Be thou my strong habitation, whereunto I may continually resort. Thou hast given a commandment to save me, for thou art my rock and my fortress. Psalms 142 verse 5. I cried unto thee, O Lord. I said, Thou art my refuge and my portion in the land of the living. Deuteronomy 33 verse 27. The eternal God is thy refuge, and underneath are the everlasting arms. He shall thrust out the enemy from before thee, and shall say, Destroy them.